There are lots of videos on YouTube about how to spend the $10 a day in Bangkok, which is around 300 baht, or how to spend $50 a day in Bangkok. So first of all, this all depends on you, how much you want to spend and how much you're willing to spend in Bangkok. You can start from 100 baht, which is almost like $3, up to 30,000 baht, which is almost close to $1,000 a day. So this is how you can choose it. Anyway, I want to talk about 2021, the year that many of you guys gonna come to Thailand, and you will move to Thailand for sure. I can see you're so happy now and you're laughing a lot. I can see a smile on your face. So stay with me in this video because I will show you how much you will spend the money a day in Bangkok for the normal life. Everywhere that you live in Bangkok, you can find a nice cafe, which the price is alright and it's not that expensive, and enjoy your breakfast. So as you see in this video, I bought this yesterday, the full one, which is cost me just 25 baht. So let's say this one is for 12 baht. And I got my latte with extra shot, but the only latte is cost 40 baht, and forget about extra shot. So the latte and this one together, let's say like 55 baht, only for breakfast. So stay with me, and we're gonna go for the lunch and some snacks. In every alley in Bangkok that you go, you can easily find these vendors, which they're fruits. So normally I buy my fruits from these vendors, which is cost only 10 baht. They have a really good techniques to cut the fruits. So this is my favorite vendors because normally the price is for each item is 10 baht. But sometimes it depends on the area. Maybe they charge you more, like 20 baht, which I don't like it. So I will buy the fruits from this shop because I love to eating fruits after dinner. Sabay di mai? Song. So my favorite is pineapple. So this is one of my favorite food. It's called lap khai thot and khai jiao, which is an omelette. This is a kind of fried chicken with some spices and the rice and omelette on the top. This is my favorite restaurant actually. I really like the food here, so delicious. And this only costs 50 baht. Really nice, really nice. Yummy. That was my lunch, and I'm sure you can find same as that restaurant everywhere in Bangkok. So you just have to walk few blocks around your home or around your condo, and you will find the tons of those restaurants with a really good quality and good price around your place. After I pick up my snacks here, I will show you the Max Velo, which is another big supermarket, and you can buy cheap food also in there. So after a few hours when I had my lunch, of course I'm gonna be hungry, and I'm looking for something not expensive and healthy as a snacks. And I love the snacks in Thailand, exactly the nuts. I really love the nuts. I am at the gourmet supermarket, but you can find all these snacks in 7-Eleven, Big C, Tesco, and Maxwell, everywhere in Bangkok. So my favorite one is the nuts, the peanuts, salted peanuts, which mostly is 10 baht or 8 baht, or sometimes some broad beans also. And when I find some promotion like this, I will also get the chestnuts. The chestnuts for buy 2 for 49 baht, which is for 1 can be 25 baht. And sunflower seeds, the salted one, spicy one, like that. It's only for 10 baht, but here it has a discount, like 8 baht. So let's say I spend only like 20 baht for snacks. That's it. I'm at Max Velo, and you can see you can get cheaper food like these curry and spaghetti with the chicken for 40 baht. So instead of paying 60 baht, you can pay cheaper and lower. Let me show you that side. They have an omelette for 29 baht. They have fried chicken with the eggs, chicken with the garlic and the eggs for 35 baht, chicken with the basil with 39 baht, and sometimes also you can see the promotion like this, 50% off on the food and fruits. Normally they have promotion after 7 or 8 p.m. I have an ice cream after breakfast before my lunch, and this is my favorite actually. I think it's 15 baht, but anyway, let's see. And if you go to Big C and Tesco, you can also find it much more cheaper food in there. By the way, I forgot about the water. So normally for water, it's not gonna be more than 20 baht. As you can get the big bottle for 12 or 14 baht, or sometimes promotion, buy 2 big bottles for 20 baht. So add the ice cream and the water to the list too. So please, let me in the comments below. Until now, if you am spending too much or just normal. And for dinner, I have another restaurant, which this is one of my favorites. It's a steak shop. You can see this brand maybe almost everywhere. And the price is really good and really affordable. I will show you right now. The fish and chips 60 baht, T-bone steak 160, pork chop 65, some salad. Chicken steak, which is my favorite, is only 40 baht. Pork steak is 50 baht. And they also have a beef. That's a beef one, 75 baht. And also they have the salad and some sausage. And you can see the prices here. I order the steak, chicken steak. Let me show you. My chicken steak is coming with the french fries and some carrots and small part of bread, which is only 40 baht. So before I start this, let's count that how much I spent today. So I just make this list. If you remember, I had the latte for 40 baht. Then I have a waffle, the half one for 12 baht. Then I have ice cream for 15 baht. Lunch, 60 baht. Snacks, 20. Dinner for 40. After dinner, I'm gonna have my fruits, which I bought it from that vendors for 20 baht. And of course, water for 20. So all this become 227 baht. Let's say something's around $7. So, let me in the comments below, what do you think? Is it expensive or cheap?
spend the time in Bangkok and live in Bangkok. Thank you guys. Also don't forget to check my next video. I'm gonna make a nice video about the amazing coffee shop. Cheers, stay safe.